Hey, starting your first PC build? Don't make a move without these must-know tips. Trust me, it'll save you time and hassle. First up, always double-check your components. Make sure your CPU, RAM, and motherboard are compatible. You don't want to get stuck halfway through and realize you've got the wrong parts. Next, don't forget thermal paste. Your CPU needs it to stay cool, and overheating can seriously mess things up. Apply just a pea-sized amount right in the center. Now let's talk about cable management. Keep those wires tidy. Not only does it look good, but it also improves airflow and keeps your PC running cool. Use zip ties or Velcro straps to secure everything. Here's a tip that's often overlooked. Update your BIOS. Before installing your OS, make sure your BIOS is up to date. It can solve compatibility issues and improve performance. One more thing, don't skimp on the power supply. A good quality PSU is crucial for a stable system. Look for one with at least 80+ certification. Alright, you're almost there. Once your build is done, power it up and check for post. If everything's good, install your OS and start gaming. Remember, patience is key. Take your time and don't rush. So, ready to start building? Follow these tips and you'll have a smooth first PC build. And hey, if you missed anything, just start the video again. Happy building!